Sometimes most of you ask me, Mungai Kihara, what's the difference between a freehold title and a leasehold title? And what the advantages of taking a freehold title and not the leasehold title? Is there a difference anyway? Technically, the differences are not much. But what you should know is that foreigners are not allowed to buy properties under freehold titles. But locals can easily buy properties under either freehold or leasehold titles. The other question that comes up, is it true that freehold titles or freehold properties are more valuable than leasehold properties? That is a lie. Any property from any title retains its true value without any effect from the title itself. Behind me is a 5-bedroom, all-ensuite mansion with a plinth area of 230 square meters. This home has been made on a 50 by 80 lot of land, and as you can see, the unit is on another level. I like it that it is in a gated estate or in a controlled estate that is called Mugutha, and this is one of the best and the fastest growing areas in Kiambu. From there, you can see that the unit has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. On top of it, you have an electric fence and a gauze wire. One thing to note is that you have so many dogs in this area just to make sure that your security is right. I'll take you inside. From there, you can see that the unit comes with a sliding gate, and at the gate, it is written Judea Palm Court. I don't know what that means, but it's a good name. Judea Palm Court has 2 units, and each unit comes with a 3-car parking like this one. I like the choice of the cabros by the developer, and I like it that they are totally different from what you get on a normal estate. Each unit comes with these steps that takes you to the rear part of the unit, and these steps comes directly from the smaller gate that you can see from there. Before we continue, the price of each unit in this court is 17 million Kenya shillings. If you want to pay by mortgage or cash, but if you want to do an installment, you can always get the newer units that the developer will do. On this other side, you have the front yard to this unit. I like it that you can get very good views from the guest bedroom that I'm going to show you later. And from here, you can see that the unit is very well balanced between the concrete diagonals and the greenery that everyone requires. I like it that it comes with this small flower garden, and that magnifies the beauty that you can see on this facade. Judea Palm is exactly 2 kilometers from Thika superhighway, exactly 2.1 kilometers from the Great Spa Mall, and exactly 1.8 kilometers to Ruiru town. So in this locality, you have access to all the social amenities that you may require. This is the main entrance. Welcome back to African Real Estate, and my name is Mungai Kihara. The main entrance comes with a transparent door, and this increases the amount of light that you get. It also improves the aesthetics of this unit, and I like it that the door is wide enough for you to be able to get in all your furnitures. Perfect. I like the new designs of the units that the Kenyan developers are constructing these days, because the quality control has been done very well, and the improvement to what was being constructed 5 or 10 years ago is totally noticeable. The prime focus of this beautiful mansion is on this side, and I like it that you are getting this cabinetry for your electronics. This is where you should do your TV, and I like it that you are getting a massive window that, in combination with this door, it will send maximum natural light to this side of the living room. Having a set of recessed lights and this center light, It makes sure that you are getting enough light during the time that the sun has gone to the other side of the world. On my far front, you have the staircase that takes you to the upper level, but before we see that, you have the dining area on my far front. You getting this view from the living room, this is where you should have your dining area. I like it that it is just next to the kitchen, so it makes it very easy for the people who are doing the cooking to serve the food to the people sitting in the dining area. I like it that the dining area comes with a massive window, but also this window can act as the access to access the rear parts of this mansion. Now that I know some of you are already asking, Mungai Kihara, where is the random sink in that dining area? It is there. What I like about it is that it is a vanity setup. The sink looks very beautiful, and the developer made sure that this is a masterpiece of beauty. The dining area is opening to the kitchen on this side, and the kitchen is opening to the laundry area and the pantry of this unit. As you can see from there, the kitchen has been done very well. The patterns of the tiling of the kitchen is on another level. I believe you have not seen this in any other video that we have done, but I think this developer is really doing well. From there, you can be assured that any activity or any show in this kitchen will be an experience. This is a space that you would want to spend most of your time because cooking here would be very exciting. I like it that the developer included a 4-burner cooktop, and I like it that it comes with an electric cooktop on this side. Your oven is on my far front, and above it you have a space for your microwave. From there, you can see that the cabinetry has been done very well. I like it that the developer added some drawers there for your cutlery and your crockery, and I know some of you have not noticed that the heat extractor is up here. What I like about it is that above the heat extractor, you have an extra storage, and on my right hand side, you have your double sink. I like it that it comes with this simple tray for you to dry your utensils, and the sink area is just next to the window. I like it that the opening of this window is not the traditional from left to right or from right to left, but this one are opening like the flaps of an airplane. From this kitchen, I'm going to take you to the laundry area, but before I do, you have a floor trap that is opening up and down just to make sure that it can easily release the water that can be spilled in this space. The laundry area is one of the biggest that we have seen in this channel. I like it that you have a massive cabinetry for all your laundry works. This is where you do your washer and dryer. You have an extra sink for you to do miniature washing, and this is the spaces where you keep your washing detergents. The laundry area is opening to the pantry of this kitchen. Why the pantry is too far from the kitchen is something that I still don't understand. On this other side of the pantry, you have this door that should take you to one of the laundry areas of this unit, and you have this other door that takes you back to the kitchen. Here we are at the center of this unit, and as I mentioned earlier, this is a 5-bedroom unit, but you can call it a 4-bedroom unit if you choose to use one of the bedrooms on this level as an employee quarters. Before I show you the rest of the spaces on this level, the shorter version of this will be in our TikTok and our Instagram, and if you want more details about these videos, everything will be in our website, africanrealestate.com. So if you're out there, you want to buy a unit and this is not what you want, always go to our website and select your favorite unit. And if you are out there, you want to sell a unit, that's where you go to market your unit. It is a marketplace for all. Here you have the common washroom of this unit. I like it that it comes with a small vanity for all your toilet accessories, and I like it that the sink is totally different from what you get on a normal unit. I like it that you have spaces here to act as your tissue holder, and you are getting a massive window just to make sure that you are getting enough light when you are doing your bathroom or washroom activities. On my far front, you have one of the bedrooms. This is the bedroom that I mentioned earlier, that it can be used as an employee quarters. One of the reasons is it comes with this door that can give you an access to the back side of this unit. On my far front, this bedroom comes with a massive closet, and I like it that you have spaces for the hangable clothes, 2 drawers down there, and this space is just a replica to this. This bedroom comes with its washroom here. I like it that it is big enough. You have a vanity behind the door. This is the WC, and on my far front you have the showering area. Let me show you the other bedroom on this level. This is the other bedroom on this level. It should act as the guest bedroom, and I like it that right now the accountant of this company is using the space to do his calculation because construction is a capital intensive activity. On my far front, you have a closet. It is similar in size to the one that we saw in the other bedroom. The only difference between this bedroom and the other one on this level is that this one faces the front side of this unit. This bathroom is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the first bedroom on this level. Before I take you to the upper level, do you like this unit? How good do you think it is in a scale of 1 to 10? Make sure you leave your comment down here. Let's continue. As we are taking the stairs to the upper level, last week someone was complaining in one of the building platforms that they bought a unit that was not of the quality that they expected. That usually happens, and that's why we as African real estate introduced pre-purchase inspection. This helps you as a buyer to avoid being scammed or to buy a unit that is exactly what you intended to. To book the pre-purchase inspection, you just need to call the number that is attached in the first comment. If you check from there, you can see that the unit comes with this massive window, and this window is bringing maximum amount of light to this staircase. You do not need to have the lights on any time of the day. Another thing to note is that this staircase comes with a fascinating starlight system, and this improves the aesthetics and the ergonomics of this space. On this level, you have the other 3 bedrooms, and still you have a resting space, and that's where you have the staircase that takes you to the roof deck. Let's see the first bedroom, which is here. This is the second bedroom, and later I'll show you the primary bedroom. The first bedroom is slightly bigger than the second bedroom that I'll show you in a few minutes. I like it that it comes with these 2 small windows, and that one increases the beauty. It is something that has not been done by many developers, but I like it anyway. This is the washroom to this bedroom, and I like it that the closet is on this side, and that makes it very easy for you to select your clothes during the day. As I mentioned earlier, the bathroom is here. I like it that it comes with a vanity on this side. You have a WC, and on my far right, you have your showering area. From the first bedroom, we can see the second bedroom, which is just next to the first one. From there, you can see that the second bedroom is not the biggest compared to the first one. I like it that this one comes with 1 window. It is not the biggest, but you are getting enough light from it. One thing to note is that the closet comes with 2 drawers down there, and you have an extra space up there, maybe for your suitcases. The bathroom is here. It is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. And from here, I'm going to take you to the primary bedroom. If you haven't noticed, the unit is very white. But if you want a unit that is customized with your own favorite colors, this developer can always do it. What I like about it is that the quality of the finish is on another level. The developer has spent enough time to make sure that they give you the best. The primary bedroom is the biggest. It comes with the biggest spaces for your king size or your queen size bed. I like it that it comes with a walk-in closet, and next to it or opposite to it, you have the primary bathroom. But before we see all that, on the opposite side, you have this sliding door that opens to the balcony of this primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the only space that comes with a balcony. I like it that from here you can see your front yard on this side, and on your far front you can always see your cars. The freshness of the air in Mugutha is very good. I like it that the neighbor has planted some bananas and the greenery is on another level. I'll take all of you inside. Just follow me. This is the walk-in closet that I talked about. The closet is big enough for you and your partner. I like it that it does not come with any doors because the space is secluded anyway. On my far front, you have the primary bathroom. I like it that it comes with its vanity just next to the door, and at the center here you have your WC. The primary bathroom comes with two options. You can either get a shower cubicle on this side, or you can get a bathtub on this other side. You can't get both because the space is not as big to fit the two options. On this other side, you'll still have a rain head and a handheld. From here, I'll show you the resting space and then I'll take you to the upper level. The resting space is very nice. It has been done very well, and I like it that it faces the front side of this unit. I like it that the developer included this shade just to make sure that your face or your skin is being protected from direct UV. From here, you can use these stairs to take you to the roof deck, and that's where you have your barbecue area, your pergola, and other spaces. Let me show you. The roof deck covers a space of around 90 square meters. I like it that you have your pergola space on this side. It comes with a sink area or a cabinetry area that comes with a sink, and I think this space will be used for your barbecue. I like it that from here you are getting the best views to Mugutha locality, and on my far front you can see the other unit constructed by this same developer. On my far front you can see that Mugutha is a very beautiful area and the greenery is incomparable. The freshness of the air, as I mentioned earlier. Here you have your solar water heaters, and I like it that it comes from this company called Phoenix Solar, German technology. I know most of you are asking, Mungai Kihara, where will we start seeing the Kenyan technology? This development, the whole of it, has been done by a Kenyan developer, so we are already heading somewhere. This unit comes with a 1,000-liter water tank. You actually don't need a very big tank in this location because this estate comes connected to water from the Kanjo, and you still have a borehole. Here you have the outside toilet, and this comes in handy, especially if you do not want to go downstairs for your short or long calls. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to buy this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And if you want the developer to customize your unit, the developer is doing another set of units just a few meters from here. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.